All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group, about 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are in the BitSeven trading platform. If you are trading leverage with us, good morning. If you are not trading leverage with us in the Discord, please like and join the trading community. Subscribe to this channel. Like the video. Stay in with the updates. All right, this is basically the last 3.5 hours of Bitcoin. What we are looking at right now, where we are headed with Bitcoin. Basically still consolidating. It's a wider range, but it's still a consolidation continuation pattern in the same sense. But what you have forming, again, like Ethereum, okay, on these corrections is you basically have leg ups, okay, or ascending, in terms of with each passing 15-minute interval, okay, on our charting. Now from 10 a.m., what you have is a leg up here, a leg up here, a leg up here, and a leg up here. What do we mean? We mean that the bottom wicks of the red candles, okay, are closing in a sense before going higher than the previous red candle set. Okay, you can see that pretty easily. You also can follow if you're going to use your indicators. If you're in our group, we use primarily 3 to 4 indicators on top of on-chain metrics overlay. Okay, what is happening on the blockchain? Very, very important if you are going to be a successful crypto leverage trader. Very important to understand where the accumulation, where the support, where the bottoms are, resistance levels, and all those patterns that we talk about. Okay, you don't have to, if you use a drop-down menu on TradingView, there are literally hundreds of indicators that you can use, okay, in charting technical analysis. We focus really on 3 or 4. Get your head around those and then expand off of that. And it basically will contribute to more successful trades for you. Again, in these 15-minute intervals, okay, when you open up your charting, especially if you're on BitSeven and you use its own charting, you can go over to TradingView and other services too as well. But you can see how we're bouncing higher, okay? Now, we're looking at, in the last 3.5 hours or so, that 17,900 level, okay? That being our bottom zone level, okay? And then we're looking at 18,220. Okay, channel up here as being in the last 3-4 hours where we want to get above and crack open above that so we can go ahead and test the next level up. Now, mind you, we are still below our 20-day exponential moving average in Bitcoin. Okay, we need to get above that level. It's about 18,300. Okay, that's the leg up we want to get to. So here we've been moving higher. Our first leg up really was here at the 130-ish, okay? And we've gotten through that. This is the next one up, okay? So we're kind of like here. Now we've got to get a buck back above here, 187, about 20 points higher than where we are now to move higher. But you can see here is what we're doing. What's forming here is this would be this line going here and that line coming across, forming that triangle that's going to move out. Okay, as we get further and further out where they're going to meet, okay? And then we're going to get another, like, resistance level, support level, narrowing of the triangle pattern at the apex. Do we get a bounce up or do we get a bounce down? Last 2 times, we've gotten a bounce down, right? So you want to bank that in your notes, okay? Like I tell people in our group and tell people I do side-by-sides with, you want to have a trading notebook of making notes, because everything about trading, cryptocurrency, or really anything, but cryptocurrency is pattern recognition. These patterns repeat. We use the phrase rinse and repeat. That's how we get in and out of trades. Rinse your trade, repeat your trade, okay? Because these patterns form continually on these levels, especially now when we bounced around between 17,000 and 19,000, right? So we've got a lot of information and data between those 2,000 basis points, okay, in order to play channels, okay, in 15-minute intervals, right? So that's what we look at. I mean, some people do like the 1 minute, the 1 minute, 1 minute trading, whatever. We look at it like a 15-minute because that's how our charts are set up, right? So that's easy for us to guide in this 15-minute segment, in this 15-minute. All right, guys, this quick Bitcoin update. I think we're going